Hello, what's your name?
Hi, my name is Sophia.
Nice to meet you. Where are you from?
I'm from India. Nice to meet you too.
How are you feeling today?
I'm feeling great today.
What do you do every day?
I study English and help my family.
Do you enjoy learning English?
Yes, I enjoy it very much.
What time do you usually wake up?
I usually wake up at 6:30 in the morning.
What's your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is orange juice.
Do you like reading books?
Yes, I read books every evening.
Can you cook simple meals?
Yes, I can cook rice and noodles.
What's your favorite season?
I love the rainy season.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a cute cat.
How do you go to work or school?
I usually take the bus.
What do you like doing on weekends?
I like spending time with my friends.
Do you watch English videos?
Yes, I watch them every day.
What's your dream job?
I want to become an English teacher.
Which city do you live in?
I live in Mumbai.
What do you usually eat for breakfast?
I usually eat bread and eggs.
Do you exercise every day?
Yes, I exercise for 30 minutes.
Are you ready to practice English?
Yes, let's start.
Thank you for answering my questions.
You're welcome.